Hi everyone, welcome to our car.
Car. Say hi, baby. Okay, we're going grocery shopping. Really quick.
Hi guys, we're currently in City right now and I just want to share something. So I was just telling my wife, I've been seeing 777 and I'm just
Jollibee. We're gonna do an open house.
gusto makikita natin yung garage. I want to see the garage.
Okay.
So we can park 4 of our cars. Oh, ganda. May ganda. Oh.
Dala ko naman yung driver.
Okay naman no?
Yeah.
No daw.
Kahit magalit ka. Pero may ano siya.
Hindi kita. Take it off. Girl. Madi, come on. Oh wow.
You want to swim? Swim? Kasha sa mali. Can we close the lid?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Now we're gonna go TJ Maxx and Target
The
because
house was so nice. It felt right, you know? It felt like I was at home, bro.
bro. But yeah, we're going TJ Maxx. My favorite place. I'll see you. Hi.
Hi guys.
Okay, we're here at Target.
Hi everyone. So we're about to buy new furnitures for a new house.
Wow.
You know, we're just shopping, like furniture shopping right now. So I need something for our living room. We need some couches, some sofa beds, and some pull-out couch or something, you know.
Ay, hindi nakaka-record.
Boy,
Charot. Okay, we're gonna buy Mary's snacks. I think it's here. Bebe, nandito ata. Wala ba doon? Ay, wait. Check ko lang. Oh, eto. We're at the right place. This is Mary's favorite.
kasi mga lipot ay yung sa notebook yun.
Oh, sir, Abby.
See? Abby? Yeah?
Ang ganda itong painting na to.
I'm gonna get another one. Oh, ganda niyan sa living room. Should I get another one? Snacks.
May ilalagay na ako sa pagkainan.
Not yet.
Pagkainan.
Don't open it yet. Later. Yeah?
Pero nasa...
Later. I'll check another snacks. I think that should be it.
LSS. LSS si Mandy. Ang mga na parang gazebo. Hindi natin sa accommodation.
Hey guys, so we just came from Target and TJ Maxx. I just want to show you what we bought from TJ Maxx. So I bought these
Real Techniques beauty blender.
for only $5.99 because I need a beauty blender. And then I also bought these. This is Laura Ashley for $7.99. I really like these because I'm planning to do a journal because I'm looking for hobbies. My husband is gonna start journaling too. Yep, so that's it.
So that's it. That's what we bought from Target and TJ Maxx.
We just really like to shop. We're not, how do you say? Ang hirap mag-English, bruh. Okay, so,
Every time we go Target or every time we go Target or TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Ross, and that is pretty much it. I'll see you.